Good morning, Riverside. This is Mr. Hills, and this is the Irish Sea with my dog. And I'm going to go and swim across to Ireland. So wish me luck. I'm very sensible. Can you hold this, please, wifey? Thank you.
We're off Ireland.
No, guys, I can't keep doing it. Oh, it's so funny. I know, it's hilarious. I know too. All right, watch more. You ready? Yeah. Okay. Picture the scene, yeah. One of us, right? Walks into the bar. Up comes the barman, who says bonus brass. What a long face! What a long face! Oh. Is this gorilla enough for you? Yeah? Dave, take your headphones out. I'm stuck in this. Dave, take your headphones out. Dave, I'm stuck. I've got my foot stuck in. Dave, can you take? David, Dave, mate, I've got my thing stuck in the mud. Dave, I've got my thing stuck in the mud. Dave, take your headphones out. Dave, come on! David! Dave!